I'm gonna grill up a bunch of different fruits. Some of them I've done before and I know they turn out well, and there's a few of the other ones other people said they were good, but I've never tried them. So I'm gonna try them with you for the very first time, and we're gonna see if they're as good as they say they are. There are a lot of wildfires right now and the air is terrible and I don't wanna add to it. So normally I would do this on my charcoal grill, which works out absolutely awesome. But today I'm gonna do it on my gas grill, which also works in a pinch. Grilled pineapple is one of my favorites and it goes great as a side, or you could put it on top of burgers for a Hawaiian twist. It's really easy to make, but it takes a little bit of preparation, so we're gonna start that one first. You've got to peel, core, and slice the pineapple in preparation, then mix up some rub made from brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. You coat both sides of the pineapple with the rub, and this is gonna pull out some of the juices and turn it into a sweet and sticky glaze. And if you have time, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to rest. I saw this recipe for grilled watermelon on TikTok, and I had to try it. Instead of adding honey like the food jet I did, start with a good watermelon, and I picked this one up from the farmer's market. I also got adventurous with some cantaloupe, and you know they're both extra fresh. Most fruit should be grilled over medium-high fire before putting them directly on the hot grates. I'm doing a couple of minutes per side, which should be enough to caramelize some of the sugars, add some grill marks, but without making the fruit too soft. Once it's off the grill, add some chili, salt, and lime juice, but I'm using tahini because it has all three, and you know I like to keep it easy. Okay, so let's try some grilled watermelon live on camera. Without the chili, lime, and salt, this one would be a hard pass. There's no way that I'd want to eat this just hot watermelon. It's much better to have nice ice-cold watermelon straight out of the fridge on a hot day. But when you add those flavors to it, it's actually not too bad. So is the cantaloupe any different? The next one is a common banana, and I know a lot of people eat these for breakfast, but they're also amazing dessert if you cook them right. This is a good one because you can take it with you camping, and it's really easy to cook over an open fire, and I'm gonna show you how to make it extra awesome. Some banana boat recipes don't peel the banana, but black banana peel is pretty unappetizing. Instead, slice it up, add some mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and graham crackers. And if you're feeling fancy, caramel bits, Heath bars, or candied pecans are a great addition too. After that, it's just heat and eat. You wrap the banana in aluminum foil like your favorite brisket, toss it on the grill for 5 to 10 minutes, or until everything is nice and gooey. And hey, I never said it'd be gourmet, but this one is a hit with the kids. If you want to step up your salsa game, roast all of the things. And yes, tomatoes are fruits, and fire roasting them brings out the summer sweetness that you have waited for months for your garden to produce. You're going to roast them on all sides until the skin starts to pop and blacken. When it comes to peppers, you can grill them on high to blacken them, but a torch will make quick work of it. That'll make it easier to remove the tough skin before it goes into your salsa while deepening the flavors that you love. These are Anaheim peppers, but New Mexico hatch chilies are great too if you can get them in season. And while I'm at it, I roasted some bell peppers that'll go great in the pulled pork burritos I'm making with this salsa. Crank up the grill to high and wipe down the grates with oil so everything is lubricated. If you forget, the caramelized goodness will be on the grates and not on the peaches. So toss them on the grill skin side down first, which is going to make them easier to remove later. Again, it's going to be a couple of minutes per side, and make sure you turn them 90 degrees to flex on those cross-hatched grill marks. Remove them when they're nice and roasty and golden. If you've ever canned peaches, you know that poaching them makes the skin easy to remove, and the same thing happens after grilling them. If it's too hard to remove, put it back on the grill skin side down for a few minutes to loosen them up. With the skins removed, chop them up into small pieces for salsa, and make sure you get all that yummy peach juice into the bowl. After that, it's a matter of chopping up everything else. I like cilantro, 1 seeded jalapeno, or a scotch bonnet if you like a little bit hotter, add in some onion, and top it off with some fresh squeezed lime juice. Mix it all together and serve it with chips or nachos, or my favorite, burritos. Take what you've learned so far and make the best grilled pineapple you and your guests have ever had. And if you'd like to learn that technique, check out this video where I go through it step by step.